अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल आयशा मिशीर व्लॉग्स। तो आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ एक मज़ेदार सा अफ्तारी व्लॉग। आई वॉज इनवाइटेड बाय माय फ्रेंड। उनके बेटे का अकीका था तो हमें जाना ज़रूरी था। आफ्टर कोरोना दीज टाइप ऑफ गैदरिंग्स लाइक रियली दे वर स्टॉप्ड, so when she invited me, so I said yes, okay, why not to enjoy with you. So we are going to Beach Walk Hotel Dubai, और it was a really lovely place. We were in a hurry क्योंकि थोड़ी सी देर हो चुकी थी हमें, so हम लोग थोड़ा सा फास्ट थे और कुछ एडिटिंग में भी ये थोड़ा सा फास्ट हो गया. So I hope you all enjoy the sight scenes and you will enjoy the place also. It was a really lovely place and the setup and everything was really beautiful there. एंड जो आइटम्स थे अफ्तार के वो भी बड़े मज़ेदार थे सारे. तो आई होप यू ऑल विल एंजॉय विद मी.
So guys, we are finally in Beach Hotel and we were such in a hurry. OMG, it's so great. Now we are entering and a lot of guests were there before we came and the hosts were not present there. And 1, 2, 3, start! Yay! There are so many yummy things. Treats, some like desserts, and Mahat was eating watermelon. And there's so many lovely treats, and we also see some food like tacos and some biryani, like even some type of sweets like puddings, cupcake, gulab jamun, as you know. And all the treats were there, even the fruits were there, fruits as you know, orange, grapes and everything. So we were so much excited to see every single thing, and we also saw walnuts and nuts even there, and so we kept on partying. guys, I hope you like this video. Please like it, subscribe it, press the bell button, and so you don't miss any of our videos. Bye. I love you guys so much, and I miss you. Bye.